Jeez, Bessie, what a long day. I'm very surprised from this long day. Thomas, you have to go to work. Oh, I forgot. This is not the right direction. Just trust me. Driver, there was supposed to be a 10 here. I destroyed it earlier. So what are you doing? I forgot. This is destroy part 2, honestly. Destroy part 2? Oh boy, I can't wait to be really useful. Hey, Thomas. Oh, I'm on my way. I'm on. Yeah, die. I'm going to bust. Yeah, you might even bust. I'm going to bust. I'm going to bust. Don't worry. Thomas, what? I'm going to bust. I'm going to bust. I'm going to bust. I'm going. What a nice day on the island of Sodor. Why are you so jiggly, James? It's nice on the island of Sodor. Is that Percy? A goal? Yeah. Hey, chill. Now you're going to burst. I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst. Why are you even destroying us? It's destroy part 2. That's kind of disturbing. I don't know how that is even allowed on Roblox. Oh, can you just let me drive? Do you want to burst quickly? Because I can drive backwards and fall. No, thank you. And I just break my best face quick. I won't burst yet, I know. It's just these other trains of scaredy cats. Wow, that's crazy. Someone's chasing for me. Ha ha! I could steal a plane ride. Crazy, right? This is crazy. Why am I so wobbly? Look at all these other trains. I don't know what happened. Is this like some kind of snake line? Oh, hey, Henry. Hey, aren't you supposed to be mean to me? I'm not mean to you anymore. Okay. See you later. Bye, I guess. One, two, three. What the? I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst. I'm going to burst. Oh no! Whoa, my wheels! Oh, oh, oh! And how did Henry disappear? Edward, what happened to your eyeball? I don't want my eyeball to be lonely. You die. You don't have a I'm going to burst face. Oh! Yeah. Okay, much better. Oh, what's going on there? What's going on my eye? Oh, hello, Henry. Of course you do, Edward. Bye-bye, Edward. No.